Hello everyone, we have done a Java project based on the event management system. I will introduce me and my friend. I am Indra Rosin, my register number is UR15CS2.
This is Isabel and I'm from CSE department and the register number is UR15CSE department.
So now in this program, I have done for the birthday event and for the wedding event. So now in the birthday event, I have a program. Now here I have a class called birthday which has some attributes like the name, the address, the date, and the other functions which are related to that event I have done here, and I have generated the setter and the getter methods. And then I have separate functions like first function is like for decoration. So if the user wants to have decoration, they can give the option as yes or no, and based on their option, the amount will be added. So now this application is used by an event manager, and they can automatically find out how much amount has to be paid by the customer. So now the next is for veg menu or for the non-veg menu, and then based on this condition, I have done like the amount will be incremented by 1000 if it is veg, and if it is non-veg it will be incremented by 2000, and the default statement is invalid option. And then next is usually in birthday parties they conduct games. So for that, if they wish to have games, then additional amount is also we ask for the customer to pay for the games. And then I'm using a simple display statement to print the bill. Now same thing I'm doing in Wedding.java, but I'm having a little more functions like for accommodation, for the transport facilities and all that. So I have declared the necessary variables and attributes, and then after that I have generated the getters and setter methods. And then I have a function called as decorations. In this, what I have done, it is the same as birthday.java, and based on the whether they want their decoration or not, the amount is incremented. And then about the veg and the non-veg menu. But here the amount is very huge because a huge number of people attend for a wedding. And then after that I have another function called as transport. So now in this, what I have done is if they want transport facilities, then I am incrementing the amount. And then for the lodging facilities, normally for a wedding many people come from outside places, so for that lodging facilities I'm asking how many rooms they want to book. So based on the number of families and how many number of rooms they want to book, for each room I have set a cost like it's 1000. So for each room it gets incremented by 1000. And then I have a main method to test this. So now I have I'm simply displaying the menu. This is for the user interface, and then after that if they give birthday, then I give like enter the name, the address, and the date, and the same thing for this. Now here I have created the objects for birthday and for wedding, and I have called all the functions which I have used in that, and then after I display the result. So now the output will be explained by the other